Hey guys, Harsh here, back in the video. So today I'm going to show you how you can charge and pair the i13 TWS wireless earphones. And functionality wise, these are the best earphones that I have tested. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, let's start with the charging procedure, because obviously you need to charge these earphones before you can listen to them. So I have my trusty power bank over here, and for charging, all you gotta do is just take your USB cable that is supplied with the case, and it is a micro USB cable. So the port is beneath the case, beneath the lid, or I should say. So this lid is just like that, and the case charging port is right beneath here. So just plug it in gently, and then it will charge. So as you can see that the red light is flashing on the case, that means it is charging the case. And also the red light on both the earphones will lit to let you know that these earphones are also being charged. Now let's wait for a while and see what happens when the case is fully charged. Okay, so the charging is now completed, and as you can see that the red light is now stopped blinking. So that means it is charged the case, and also the earphones will be charged at this point. So now we can remove the cable, and then the box will turn on blue light, which means the box is on. So turn it off by pressing this button over here, and now you have to charge your earphone ready to go and blast sound in your brain. So if you are not near an outlet, then you can also charge the earphone by pressing the button over here. So as you can see that there is a button over here, let me zoom in. So as you can see that this little circular button is responsible for the charging of the battery via the case battery. So all you gotta just turn it on by pressing the button, and then a blue light will turn on the case, and earphones will light red color, that means they're charging. And once they are charged, they will light blue color, and then you will know that the earphones are charged. And to stop charging the earphone, all you gotta just flip it over again and press the button again over here. So once you press the button again, this will turn off the blue light on the bottom, and the earphones will stop charging, and you are good to go. Okay, so now to pair the earphones, there are two methods you can pair them. So one is to pair a single earphone, and other is to pair both the earphones. So let me show you first how you can pair a single earphone. So all you gotta just take them out of the case, take a one out of the case, and then just press the button for 5 seconds over here. So as you can see that there is a little button on the top, so just press it for 5 seconds. So as you can see now that the LED on the earphone is actually flashing red and blue, that means it is gone into pairing mode. So all you gotta just take your smartphone and go to the Bluetooth settings and select pair new device, and it will show as i13. So let's click on i13 and click on pair, and this will connect the earphone to the smartphone, and then you can listen to your songs or make calls. Now turning off the earphone is a pretty simple process. All you gotta just press the button for 5 seconds, and then it will flash a red light and it turn off the earphones. So as you can see the red light flashes, and now the earphone is turned off, and then you can put it back in the case for charging or storage purposes, just like that. Now to pair both the earphones, all you gotta just take them out of the case, just like so, and then press the button on both the earphones for 3 seconds at the same time. So let's do that right now. And first they will pair with each other, and after a time a single earphone will blink red and blue LED. So as you can see that the now right earphone is blinking red and blue LED, as you can see. Now the pairing process is same. All you gotta do is just go to your smartphone, go to Bluetooth setting, pair new device, and it will show up as i13 right here, and then you can click on pair, and after that the device is paired with the smartphone. Now to turn the earphones off in pair mode, all you got to just press the button on earphones, either of the earphones, for 5 seconds. So let's press the button, and it will flash a red LED on both the earphones to let you know that the earphones are turned off. And now you can see that the earphones are now disconnected with the phone, and then you can again put them in the case for charging or storing purposes, just like so. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it, and hopefully this video was helpful to you. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.